Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can add some cool transition effect on our GoHighLevel survey elements. Okay, so first of all, let me show you the preview. Here is the first one. When I click on the next button, you can see the survey elements just appear into the screen smoothly from the right side. Okay, let me click the next button again. You can see yeah, this is the first one. Let me show another one. Yeah, this one added the same type of transition, but it appeared the survey element from the left side. Okay, you see, yeah, here is it. And then the other one we have, this one also have almost the same effect, but the transition angle is different. Okay, it's added from the bottom to top. Okay, you can see the survey element printing from the bottom. Okay, and then here is another one. It's actually another different effect. Okay, and we also have another one. This one also a little bit rotate. Okay, yeah, like this. So let me show you how we can add this cool effect into our survey. Okay, so first of all, let me show you how you can add the survey elements. Okay, so once you if you are a very beginner for build survey into GoHighLevel, then all you just need to come to your survey builder and just add the elements. But if you already know how to use that, then that's also fine. So once you edit all of the questions and all of the slides on your survey, okay, then just go to the very bottom, okay, of your survey at the very last slide and add the HTML and CSS option. Okay, so let me show you HTML. Yeah, here is that one. Okay, the HTML, you can add your HTML, JavaScript, or the CSS code into this canvas. Okay, just copy the code snippet from our GHL Code Snippet library. Okay, so if you don't have the subscription, then you need to subscribe, because this is the part of our paid membership. Okay, so you will get the link below the video if you are watching from YouTube. But if you are watching this from our members area, then you will get the code right inside this page. Okay, so here just click this edit HTML and add your code. Just you copy it from the members area, just add it here. Okay, so we have all the different code snippet, okay, already added into the members area. So all you just need to copy and paste. Okay, here is it. So once done, then save it. Okay, let me see why it's not working. Save it again. Yeah, it's saved. Let me preview this. Just click the integration, go to the link tab, and yeah, let me check. You can see it added the transition effect. Okay, so this is very simple and straightforward code snippet. So all you just need to copy the code snippet and paste it into your survey builder. Okay, by using the HTML, JavaScript element. Okay, that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, then feel free to subscribe our channel, and you can like, share, comment, whatever you want. Okay, thanks again for watching. Have a nice day.